জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয় হৃদয়।
I say get out!
No!
She won't set me free. She will never set me free. She will chase me like a nightmare. I won't be at peace. What's happening?
Wait. What do you want?
No, I mean, actually,
You have recently joined as maid. Maybe you don't know that your job is cleaning utensils, mopping, and washing clothes. Everyone doesn't get to enter in the kitchen.
but can I just help you?
Can't you understand what we say? Didn't you hear it? One needs to have special qualification to work in a kitchen. Everyone doesn't have it. Go away from here.
What do I do now? They won't allow me in the kitchen. How will I know if anyone is poisoning Dripto's food? The way the milk was poisoned, if I can't enter the kitchen? Please give me a chance. I'll cook the way you will instruct me.
Strange. She's so stubborn. What will you cook? Chinese? Mughlai? Do you know how to cook continental?
Chinese. Contil. What kind of dishes are these? I've never heard.
You can't even pronounce the names and you want to compete with me. How will you compete with me, Trinani?
Let it be. She just want to cook. Let her cook. But let her cook for the servants. Then her wish will be fulfilled. What do you say?
That's a problem. How will I achieve the skills to enter the kitchen? Who will give me a permission to enter the kitchen? Excuse me? Can you tell me who stays
I'm
it?
taking it for Mrs. Basu.
Okay, so please let me do this.
Oh my, strange. You are asking for work. Times are changing. That's good. My workload will be less. You're most welcome if you want to work. Hold the tray and give the tea to Mrs. Basu.
Sure.
Listen, are you taking your medicines on time? I'm really worried about you. There are dark circles under your eyes.
That's quite natural, Mom. I've got dark circles because I'm worried about that girl. I wanted something else. And see what happened. I wonder how much more she'll suffer, Mom. I'll have to keep mum and tolerate everything.
May I come in? I've got tea for you.
Wait. What kind of girl are you? You don't need any permission to enter my room. Come in, come inside. Keep it there.
Nayan, did you have tea, my child?
No, I'll have it later. Let the others have it first. I'll have tea after that. And other servants also.
Don't you dare. Never say that. You are not like the other servants in this house. You are my. I've decided something, Tapo.
What is it, Mom?
I won't let Nayan become like other housemates in this house.
But I took this job up
Keep
myself.
quiet. Just keep quiet. What kind of a girl are you? You will protect my grandson. Wouldn't we protect you? I am not that selfish, Nayan. It's my responsibility to make sure that no one humiliates you. Henceforth, you will stay with me and do my work. For example, you will give me medicines. You can serve me food. You can also massage this old lady's legs. What say? Do you like the work?
That's a great decision, Mom. That's great. I'll also be relieved if she stays with you, Mom.
What do you say, girl? Won't you do what I said?
I will. I'll do whatever you say. But I want to request one thing from you, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Yes,
Nayan, what happened? What are you calling Mom?
I am a salaried maid in this house. All relationships will end when I sign the divorce papers. So, what should I call her other than ma'am?
Leave it. We can decide all that later. Tell me what your request is.
I want to take up the responsibility of cooking. Will you please allow me?
Nayan is in this house all the time. All the time. Whenever I want to get out of the room, she appears in front of me some or the other way. She always tries to make me feel guilty. Isn't there any way to get rid of her? No, I'll get mad if this continues. I must find a way by any means. At any cost. I must find a way. I must find a way.
Please, ma'am. Please give me the responsibility of the kitchen. You know it very well that your grandson's life is in danger. To cause him harm, anyone can poison his food. It happened earlier as well. How will I keep an eye on his food if I can't manage the kitchen?
I understand your point. But it is Sanjukta who handles the job allocation in this house. Without her permission,
Mom, Nayan can tell you and me why she wants to manage the kitchen. But we can't say anything to Sanjukta. Why would she agree with this then, Mom? You'll have to handle this situation, Mom.
listen, Tapo. It was Sanjukta who was managing the household to date. If I take such a decision myself, then she will feel bad. Every household follows a rule. Breaking that will only invite more trouble, Tapo.
What's the solution then? What do I do, ma'am?
Try to understand the dishes which are cooked in this house. You won't be able to cook those. Especially for Deepu, as he has lived abroad. You can't cook those dishes.
I need to learn that. I must learn all of those. I will learn it. One can do anything if he tries. Please try to get permission for me by any means. How can I let others cook for him knowing that his life is in danger? But will only managing the kitchen be enough to protect him? I don't even know what the dangers are, whether it's poison, fire, or something else.
Yes, Mr. Hazra. I asked you to get the divorce papers ready for Dripto. What's the progress? What? Are those ready? Oh, that's great. Fantastic. Do something. Send that home. Yes, that girl is at home. It will be easier to get her signature.
Oh, Lourdes, the divorce papers are ready.
Mother and uncle have conspired that they will make you sign the divorce papers and then throw you out of the house.
Just don't worry. Leave it on me. I know how to get the job done. Okay, thank you. How dare you? Why did you enter my bedroom without my permission? Tell me, you're a maid. Don't you know what your place is?
I'm so sorry. May I come in, ma'am?
That's it. Come in. Well, you must have heard that your divorce papers are ready. I need your signature. Oh my. Your hands started shaking the moment you heard about the divorce papers. It's okay if they're shaking now. They shouldn't shake when you sign.
Mom. Mom, you said that you'd find a girl of my choice, right? Did you find anyone? Look, I want to get married soon as possible. On the very next date if required.
That's a big problem, Tapu. How do I convince Sanjukta that she should let Nayan handle the kitchen? She can't even tolerate Nayan. Then how will she agree to let her manage the kitchen? You know it. She is so particular about Deepu's diet. I know she will never agree. What do I do now?
We need to plan something for the sake of Deepu, Mom. Huh? You can think about it. I need to go
You're
out.
going out. Where will you go?
To find a match for Deepu.
A match? Huh. You are talking in a way as if it's an easy job. How can you find a girl so soon?
It's a different kind of a girl, Mom.
Meaning? Oh my. Why are you beating around the bush, Tapu? This is not the time for that. Say
You know what, Mom? I have got an excellent idea. From outside, I'll hire a girl for Deepu.
Meaning? What are you saying?
Mom, speak softly. I have thought about it a lot. Okay, let me hire an actor as Deepu's wife. She'll know beforehand that this is a fake marriage. It's just acting.
I will find one. My son can't marry an ordinary girl. She must be fair, beautiful, smart, educated, and intelligent, with whom my son can talk and share his feelings. We must find that kind of girl.
Okay, Mom, why are you saying all this in front of a servant? Why should a maid know what kind of a girl I like?
Don't worry, sir. A maid won't cast an evil eye on your happiness. Moreover, a maid must know when there's a wedding at home. Rich people's weddings wouldn't be managed if we didn't do our jobs properly. Servants will be really happy if you get married. Trust me. We'll get new dresses. There will be so much light. There will be many great dishes to eat. I've never seen such a celebration before in my life. You can get married without any worries, sir. Mark my words. I will take care of the new bride very well.
Stop. Do you want to be great? Do you want to be great?
Deepu, let it be. Don't talk to her. You don't need to.
Hold on, Mom. I must know it. She smiles all the time, right? Why does she smile? Is she always trying to make me feel guilty?
She will have to leave this space for Nayan someday. If she's already aware of that, then there won't be any problem, right, Mom? She'll get paid just the way she gets paid for acting.
Will you find one? Will you be able to find such a girl?
I must find one, Mom. Else, how will I protect Nayan's rights? Mr. Tarun's words are haunting me every day, Mom. Nayan sacrificed all her rights for Deepu's sake. Can't we do anything for her? We know we are selfish. We are only thinking about our son. We are not as great as Nayan. We need to protect Nayan as much as we can. Nayan has done a lot for us. Now it's our turn to pay her back. Right, Mom?
You are right, Tapo. Absolutely right. The way Nayan is protecting Deepu, we will also protect Nayan, right?
Yes, Mom.
Just do what you think is right. I am with you.
Yes, Mom. I've assured Nayan again and again that Deepu would realize her value one day. But if Deepu gets married to someone else, what's the use of realizing Nayan's value then? He won't be able to come back to her either. That's why we need to get Deepu falsely married to an actress.
She brags about being great. She pretends to be so modest all the time. What do you want to prove? That you are great, right? Are you so great? And we all are.
I am not bragging about anything, sir. How can I brag? I am just a housemaid. Maybe I am really great, but you didn't realize that.
How dare she? That she talks to you like that? Wait, let me get her signature on the divorce papers. Then I will teach her a lesson.
Maybe I am really great, but you didn't realize that.